Hello friends, myself Ashwini Tukaram Rathod from Varur. I am in Standard 8. I am going to speak about Atmanirbhar Bharat. Atmanirbhar Bharat is the mission and vision of our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji to make India self-reliant. This action plan got its pace during to the ongoing COVID-19 and pandemic Indo-China border rifts. The Atmanirbhar Bharat movement got its boost from the native businessmen and industrialists. The big financial foreign investment in Indian companies like in Jio from Google and Facebook recent news by our defense minister of not importing them weapons and instead building them in India itself is the another example of it. The situation on the border and lockdown had the people and government to go for local strategy. The people are willing to pay bit etc. to encourage our local producer and manufacture. The 5G network dream of India will now be made true by Jio, and India will come soon in the world market of technology and be a key player in it. The PPE kit manufacturing and exporting has reached new heights, and we are the second most exporting nation. The auction trials and production are also going on high skills to be taken at the time of the export. The latest changes in the Indian national educational policy. The NEP will also encourage the skill to be a self-reliant and contribute the society. To take a step forward to be Atmanirbhar and early years of being self-reliant. The difficulties and sorrows will follow, but the time and the thing will settle down. The glory and happiness will fall into their places, and India will among the top exporting nation. The time when India will be majorly an exporting nation and less of the importing. Then the real growth and development will reach every household. The more people will encourage the native businessman and producer, the more will be manufacturing and sell, and thus the society as the whole will blossom and be a self-reliant. The feeling of joy will be the true feeling of Atmanirbhar Bharat, Swatantra Bharat. The feeling of no dependency, no high cost racing, etc. The feeling of willing the nation with one's own hand and contributing the it bit development. The self-reliant reference to a person condition that he not depend on another person for any work. Self-reliance, it's a positive word. It is very important for a person, society, family or country. If the person is the self-reliant, then he will have less need of help. The self-reliant person can face the time of trouble more strongly. The same thing is also applied to the country. Our country is very large and abundant resources are available here. We are able to produce of the smallest and greatest items inside the country. Thank you, friends.